Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have edit access. Start now by opening the specific Google form. Click the gear icon for settings, then go straight to the Responses tab. Enable the Collect Emails only if you need respondent identification. More importantly, toggle Allow File Uploads. Once done, Google will create a Drive folder automatically. Make sure you own or have edit rights to that folder because upload permissions inherit from it. If the option is grayed out, check account type. Consumer accounts versus workspace affect upload availability, so switch accounts if necessary. Now configure the details so uploads work predictably. Click the File Upload question and set the maximum file size. Choose a value that matches expected submissions, and pick allowed file types like PDF, JPG, or DocX to prevent unexpected formats. Also limit the number of files per respondent to avoid storage spikes. Make sure your Google Drive has enough free space, otherwise uploads will fail. Once these options are set, test with a small file to confirm the limits and types, behave as expected before sharing the form widely. Finish by testing thoroughly. Open an incognito window or sign in with a different account and submit a sample upload to validate settings. If uploads fail, troubleshoot methodically. First confirm the Drive folder exists and you own it, then verify sufficient drive storage and check that the respondent's account type supports uploads. Also ensure file type and size match your restrictions. If problems persist, change form ownership to a workspace admin or transfer files from a full folder. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves permission or quota blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.